The mission at Desert Reign Church is to be a growing family that loves Jesus and loves people. And our vision, when we think about that, we added a couple things to that, is that we are creative when we engage our mission here to reach this community. So one of the biggest ministries that we have here is our food ministry. And the more it seemed that we gave away, the more we started to receive. So we had been looking to upgrade a lot of things here in this church as far as audio and visual and kind of just the overall design and the church experience here. So we thought during that week where we have Vacation Bible School, we would try an LED wall where we would rent one. Well, what we did here, our outreach director turned the whole sanctuary into like an aquarium where this whole place was underwater. And the LED screen just added all of the visual effects, just increased the visual effects. And it was just, people were just amazed when they walked through the door. So we knew we kind of wanted to get an LED wall, but we didn't know which one yet.
This project was a unique LED wall project that was born out of a desire for the church to go the next level. When they rented the wall, they knew that the idea of an LED wall was great. But when it came to deciding on one, Scott, who represents us with Desert Reign, was able to put together a really great demo through coordinating with Philips. And once they saw the higher resolution Philips quality, they were able to quickly make the change.
We had heard about their experience with renting the wall, and we knew that we just really wanted to take it up to another level for them and show them what was really possible. And through our partnership with Philips, we were able to take them out to their to Philips' location to do a demo on this wall so they could actually see for themselves.
I've been a part of projects that have gone well, and I've been part of projects that have not gone well. And this one I would rate as an A+. The collaboration between Philips and TechArts was seamless. We really almost, you wouldn't know who was working for who when they were here working on the wall. I would encourage people to see for themselves. We did a lot of research. We looked around, we looked at different LED walls, we looked at different contractors, and we found Philips to be head and shoulders above the rest, and I'm sure everybody else is going to find that as well.